Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a new functionality in Poser in Mesh Morpher which allows us to mirror poses. So let's load an animation first and we will try to mirror a frame from an animation, right? So we have this frame from our animation and we will try to mirror it. So let's go to tools in Poser and click on mirror pose. At this point we have here a new message box which will allow us to do a selection. Either we mirror only changed bones, so we will attempt to mirror only what's changed, bones that are not in neutral position, or all of them, right? So we can go with the yes, and at this point we will see that our pose is mirrored. Let's reset this and let's try the other way, right? So let's quickly select the pose here. Let's make just a simple pose. And for this pose, we won't do any changes on the other side, right? So if we go to tools and mirror pose, and we select no in this message box, everything will be mirrored, right? So whatever is not changed will be also mirrored. And at this point, what is uh, unmirrored shifted to the what is unchanged shifted to the other side, and what is changed shifted to this side. So this is pretty good. It allows us to do whatever with this pose at this point. We can break it, save it, or whatever. So this is it for this video. This is a very short video tutorial, and I just wanted to share this new functionality with you guys. See ya. Bye.